open up and say, ah. Father. Father, look, I've already eaten most of my food.
Very good, sir. This is how you'll become a big and strong man.
Yes, yes, a big strong man like you, with a good job and many friends. I would be a famous ice cream man too. A genius as great as my father. The recipe for happiness is within everyone's reach. And so, Father?
Yes, sir. It is like that. But that doesn't mean we don't have to work hard anyway.
When am I going to be able to eat one of those ice cream? Have I worked enough already?
No, Rock, you can never eat those special ice creams.
Better get dressed